Today we're making an unbelievably easy but delicious dessert with peaches, raspberries, and they don't even need to be there. That's right, today we're making a torta di amaretto, an amaretto cake, with almonds, but why not do peaches and raspberries with it? But totally optional, you can leave those out if you don't want to, but yum! So easy, so easy! For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video, you're gonna find it right there. So let's do this, oh yeah! Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, you're going to cream together half a cup of unsalted butter that you softened, along with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now you're just going to cream this together so you have a nice creamy mixture. And then you're going to add 2 large eggs, half a cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of amaretto, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Now you can whip this all together so you have a nice smooth and creamy liquid. Then you're going to add 1½ cups of flour and whip that in. And then lastly, but this is totally optional, we're going to fold in 1 cup of fresh raspberries. You don't have to add the raspberries if you don't want to. You don't like them, but you can use any other fruit you want. But I really love the combination of amaretto and raspberries. And we're going to even top it with some peaches, but we'll get to that. And that's just a beautiful flavor combination. But again, just totally optional. Without the fruit, this is still a delicious cake. So you're going to fold that in carefully. Just like that. And now we're ready to put it in our baking pan. So here I have my 9-inch baking pan. I can't find my 9-inch baking pan, so I'm using my springform. I sprayed it thoroughly with a nonstick cooking spray, added a sheet of parchment paper, sprayed that too. So now we're going to pour this carefully into here and then smooth out the top. Just like that. And now, again, totally optional. You do not have to add these. I'm going to add some sliced peaches. You can use fresh if you can find them this time of year, but I'm using jarred rather. Make sure you strain them. Now we're going to arrange the peach slices on top. You're going to need about 1.5 cups, 2 cups, depending how close you put them together. Just like that. And then lastly, we're going to sprinkle with just about a 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. Again, you could leave these out, but these add such a nice texture, flavor, all over the top, just like that. Perfect, right? So now it's ready for the oven. So into your preheated 350 degree oven, it's going to go just about 40-45 minutes. Around the 40-minute mark, you're going to do the toothpick trick. Stick toothpick in the middle. If it comes out wet, it's not ready. If it comes out with a little moist crumb and kind of dry, it's perfect. All right, so into the oven it's going to go. So I just pulled this out of the oven. It took a smidge longer than I thought. It took about 64 minutes. Maybe it's my oven, who knows? But now we're going to allow this to cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Pop it out and then cool it on a rack for at least 2 hours, like 2 to 4 hours. You want this nice, not cold, but at least room temperature. You don't want it hot. But boy, does it smell good. Yum. Buon appetito. So rich, fluffy, beautiful almond flavor throughout. That amaretto. You can never go wrong. Looking at the peaches, the raspberry, and the crispy almonds on top. Oh, it's fabulous! Absolutely fabulous. And it's so good. It's so easy to make. You saw how easy it was. An hour in the oven, yeah. But 15 minutes to prep. You gotta try this recipe. And if you do, let us know. Thank you so much for watching.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
Oh good. I know what I'm making for Easter this year. Get ready, Francis. Are you ready for the drink? I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so for today's flirtini, we're going to start with 1 ounce of amaretto, 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, keeping it simple. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of raspberry liqueur, then 2 ounces of sour mix. Or you can use margarita mix. So we're gonna give this a good shaky, and we pour. Let's see. Ooh, look at that! Such a flirty color. Time to give it a try. Oh yeah. Salute. This drink's flirting with me. It's a little sweet, it's a little tart, a little sour, but you get the peach. You're getting the lemon and the lime from the sour mix. The amaretto. No vodka burn. Score! We even get a little bit of the raspberry. It's a lovely, lovely cocktail. If you try this, let us know. If you try that amazing torta di amaretto, you don't have to have the fruit, but it helps. It makes it so much nicer, especially for the holidays, especially for Easter. Easter's coming. Let us know that too. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Keep those suggestions coming. Love you guys. Mwah.